Hi, I'm Angelica Kruplani. You can call me Angie. I'm the founder and principal architect of Angie Homes. I've been an interior architect for the last 23 years and I did my schooling in interior architecture at New York a long time ago. I would like to take you through my new online portal, which is a fruit of my 23 years of experience in this interior world. Let me take you through my little journey in the next few seconds and minutes. When I started my career 23 years back, the interior world and India was completely different. Very few importers or designers were importing and bringing imported product to India. I was one of the pioneers in bringing luxury imported furniture, fabrics, lights, accessories, and any other product to India, which 23 years back. At that time, the duty structure, the import tariffs, and the people's demand in the Indian industry was completely different. Today, we've come a long way. India has changed, the world has changed, and so has the demand of the end customer. The journey which I have seen in the last 23 years of my life and career has been that initially I had to educate the customer on what he or she wants, likes, or would like to buy or source or create and design for their home. Today, the difference is at least 50% of our client base knows what they want. They know what they want to spend. And the import tariffs have also come down drastically, which makes it much easier for all my friends, relatives, and customers to buy and get their products or home products of their dream home. Let me take you through a little journey of what is the difference between super luxury, affordable luxury, and a product which is comfortable and economically viable for all. 23 years back, when I started my career, I was lucky and privileged to design homes for some of the best industrialists, hoteliers, politicians, corporates, lawyers, and had some of the best clientele who gave me a free hand and trusted my judgment and taste in interiors. At a very young age, I was successful, and I have to thank not only God, but also my talent, my education, but also my clients for giving me a free hand to show them and get the best out of me in a creative way. Then, after which, once I understood what clients wanted, my first thing was always to give them a concept, to understand their needs, what they had in their mind, understand their taste and lifestyle. Because interiors is not only about design, your home, office, or any space, about product. It's about understanding your client's need and putting it in paper and putting it across to them so that they feel satisfied, happy, comfortable to live in that home. The other part is most designers love to do commercial projects, but I, typical to my style, chose the tough route in life. I chose to do residential, and I started doing some of the most high-end residential projects in India and abroad. After which, I started doing a lot of corporate offices where not only did we do formal areas like directors' floors, floorings, reception areas, and many others, but we also started doing the workstations and the public spaces for corporate offices. Hotels was not that big an industry at that time, 23 years back. We didn't have that many hotels, that many chains, as India was still developing and not at the stage as we are in now. However, 10 years after my career, when I started around 2006 or 7, the real estate industry boomed in India. And I started doing lots of sample flats, furnished apartments, clubhouses, spas, gyms, and serviced apartments. Where not only did me and my firm at Angie Homes did we design and give product, but we also gave them a full entire end-to-end solution with the design, the execution, the product, the lights, the interior fittings, and everything. This made all my customers happy and satisfied that we were one of the few to have an end-to-end solution at a one-stop shop, which was very rare to find in India at that time. My next journey after which was that I realized that people always thought that I only did very high-end and expensive products and furniture and interiors. And I wanted the world to realize that you can, if you have a good designer and good taste, good talent, you can get a good home, a very comfortable, affordable luxury home, which doesn't have to be very frightfully expensive. It can be economical and yet stylish. So let me take you through what led me to change my concept from super luxury to affordable luxury. As you all know, in the last 8 or 9 years, the world has changed from retail and personalized services. The world has moved to a new speed called the online and the internet. Once the internet boom started around 10 years back, or rather around 2010, every product which any educated customer or client who wanted to do up their home, they would always search it, source it, or look for it, or do comparative pricing for on Google or the net. This made me to believe around 2010 that things were changing, and very soon retail and personalized styling was going to change to something more faster, more virtual, and to a new level, which led to online eventually. Once things were moving around 2013, I saw, and so did my partner associates in the global world, who we sourced from and who we represented in India for over 20 years, realized that there was a huge decline in retail, and most of the products it was very difficult to sell anymore through retail therapy or through having stores. So I decided to, as usual, being ahead of my time, to change shift gear from moving from retail to gradually doing more projects and only catering to my clients, service departments, and of course developers, which had a huge supply of flats, apartments, corporate offices, and other various institutions to furnish. We realized that that was the niche market in the year starting from 2007 to 2013. This is a journey I would like to share with you, which changed things in India, which was from an uneducated customer. The customer was beginning to be aware. So we furnished apartments for some of the best developers in India. It could be in any part, it could be the south, west, north, or the east of India. Names you can definitely see in my profile once you go through it on our website. After which we did service apartments and within budgets. So if you wanted an apartment which was for around say 30, 40 lakhs, 50, 65 or above that, we had different packages for you, specially designed, curated by me, available at affordable prices. We created this concept where you could get an end-to-end solution with your basics of furniture for your bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, family, kitchens, bathrooms, wardrobes. It was all an end-to-end solution. We also decided on adding accessories for us. This was an additional package, and with styling, soft solutions and soft interiors. This led to a lot of increase in sales because the prices were lower, and the customer, as I saw in my journey, barring a few, wanted to come down to the mid-end segment, the high mid-end I would say, and yet get the best product, which was now easily accessible and comparable through the internet. This journey led me to believe that time has come to take a step back from retail, which I did, as I used to have stores in some of the best locations in Calcutta, south of India, Bombay, as well as Delhi. My next phase of my career, which I will share with you in a few seconds, was about how the shift from retail to projects, and then from projects to now online. So let me take you through that. So my next journey of my career, as I would call phase 4 or phase 5, we're seeing this entire evolution in the interior world, and of course in the Indian interior world, as we all live in India. At that time, the focus was pretty primarily the Indian market and markets in regions nearby, such as the Middle East. Now, the world is a small place, and the world is our market today. With the evolution of the internet and the online revolution in India, and everyone wanting to buy home products at the palm of their hand through their mobiles, we decided to shift gear and move from retail to online. In the year 2014-15, I decided, as for me, this is not just a business, it's passion, it's creativity, it's a story, it's a solution, and it just is not a product of an internet driven technology or idea by a new entrepreneur. It's about emotion and giving you the best at the best prices and creating your dreams into reality. So angiehomes.co is my new online venture I bring to you, which is online, which is affordable, stylish home, office, hospitality, restaurant, real estate, and any segment you would look for in the world of interiors to dress up your space. This venture of mine has 23 years of my experience, which is a long time, and it has all the experience to get you what you need at the best price and the best quality. We have not compromised on quality. I have taken I would say calculated risk of not going low end, and one of the main reasons I choose not to go low end in this my online home product and venture is that I can give my customers the best product. All the portals right now, whether it's India, whether it's the Middle East, or anyone globally, they're focusing on low end. And the reason they want is because they only want to be price competitive. But if you're going to be price competitive, I would like to ask you, would you be getting the best quality of your product? I don't think so. What I really believe is to give you, my customer, my present or my future client, the best product at the best price. Even if you may feel I'm a little more higher priced or a little more expensive, trust me, the product I'm going to be offering you on my portal, you're not going to get that quality, finish, proportion, styling, aesthetics in any others. I have done my homework and I come to you with the best. Now it's for you to decide, would you want the best or you would like to just compromise for the sake of price in this new age of price war. I chose to take the best quality at affordable pricing. I hope you do too. Now I will take you through my new online venture, which has an end-to-end solution of currently, as of today while we talk, 2,500 products already on our site, starting from furniture, fabrics, wallpapers, accessories, tableware, bedding, lights, interior solutions, offices, homes, furniture for hotels, which is obviously very well priced and for that particular purpose, bridal registry, which is for the first time in India being introduced by us. Of course, few of us may have heard about it in the US, but how many of us have practiced it in India? In my last 23 years of journey, not one person, company or another home decor brand ever used it or tried to use it. I, having a passion for risks, have decided to do this, and I believe in it, that I'm going to take the story, journey, educate you, because it's going to be for your well-being, that you, for your weddings, children's happy occasions, engagements or any other occasion, can share your gift of your choice for your clients, for your customers, for your friends, and they can chip in and give you a wish list of your choice. Another section which I have really focused on is tableware, because I find that now with these new COVID times, we all have to learn to entertain at home. We all have good homes in India. It needn't have to be big. It has to be good with a good heart. And these will have some, we are going to offer you and are offering you some of the finest tableware at affordable prices. Some designed by me, some made solely for Angie Homes. These have been put together from all over the world and India. So if you want a product made in India, we have that. If you want something sourced from overseas, we have that. We offer you every solution you need for it. In tableware, it could be wine glasses, champagne, whiskey, liquor, decanters. It could be water glasses. It could be cutlery, tea sets, dinner sets, and any other accessory in the tableware segment you'd like. We also are bringing you an exclusive collection for bedding with a beautiful, amazing thread count. Thread count is what makes your bed sheets, bed covers durable, better, good quality, good finish, and of course, the best in the world. We are bringing that to you again on this new online portal, angiehomes.co. I'm offering you a range of blankets, throws, pillows, cushions, any other accessory for bedding, runners, or what you would like to dress up your bedrooms and live in a stylish way. Our bedrooms is where we spend most of our time, at least 10 hours a day, if not more. So we need a good night's sleep. Again, for the bedding section, we offer you an end-to-end solution, starting from the mattress down to the bed cover, the quilt, the duvet, for your good night's sleep. Comfort is something we all need so that we can all enjoy our next morning when we go to work. Then we have another section for you, which is lighting. Lighting is something which brights up your life. Your entire interior of your home depends on good, effective lighting. Of course, in this new age and new generation, we have LED, but nothing to beat a warm light as per my personal experience. A warm light adds character to your home and interiors. But of course, if you want to save electricity and be cost effective, LED is the way to go. Again, on our website, we offer you an entire solution from outdoor lighting, table lamps, wall accessories, wall sconces, chandeliers. It could be classic or contemporary. We have it all. We've also put together standing lamps, hanging lamps, just for your home, office, or your children. The third collection we are coming up with, which will also be ready maybe by the end of this year, is kids. We want to focus on an end-to-end solution for kids as well, because kids are our lives. Our children mean everything to us. So it could be beds, blankets, interiors, accessories, table lamps. When I say kids, I don't only mean a newborn baby. It could be starting from the age of 1 or a newborn going up to till their teens. So we have bunk beds for you, we have bedrooms, we have everything, all at an affordable price. Now coming to offices, we all have to convert our homes to offices. So we have with us a new end-to-end solution where you have shelves, office chairs, visitor chairs, a nice desk, comfortable seating, where we can use and entertain our guests for our home as our home office or our official office space. We've also, for all these solutions, provided you with bank finance. So if you'd like it with accessories or with the basics, please do go visit our website and see exactly where things can be done and how you can get the best value for your home, which we offer to make it convenient, easy, accessible, and functional for you. Another aspect we have come up with on ours is furniture occasional pieces. We have our interior solutions where you can come to me for your personal interiors or styling. Our details are all given on our website, which you can come for a personalized appointment where we can discuss everything in detail and at length. But when it comes to just a small room, you can just refer to our website where we've given you currently over 250 interior solutions with various products. It could be artwork, it could be photography, it could be sculpture, carpets, boxes, everything you'll find at our website. You don't need to go anywhere. We're eventually going to take this platform globally, where we will show you and the world how India can produce the best from India by an Indian designer, and we can take it to the world. Luckily, I started working very young. I still have a long way to go. So you can cash a lot on my experience and also with the products I've put together on this website. Another collection which I forgot to mention is accessories, bar accessories. You could have photography, you could have lithographs, you could have masters, artwork from masters, or it could be boxes, candles. Everything is available for you on our website. Do take a look, and also you must see our Instagram and Facebook handles, because everything cannot always be accessed or seen or browsed around at one time. The reason why I decided to make such an extensive website, which took me nearly 9 months to a year, is because I wanted to put a lot of soul, emotion, and each and every product should be available and which should not have you to stress or move around looking for something which is incomplete and unfinished. We also could get you, as I said, bridal registry, which I mentioned earlier is a concept which has to be educated, and especially for my middle end or mid to high end customers who all are getting married. You must understand that this is going to get you your dream product, your dream home, your future, and we've got you finance options for that, we've got you products sourced for that, and you can share it with your friends and relatives to get the best of it. I have tried to put everything possible. Also, if you'd like online styling solutions, we have that available as well. So I hope you enjoyed this journey. Do go through it and let me know how we can also take it forward. In the next few years, we'll be adding 3Ds and also AR to show you how the futuristic way of living in homes will be. But I still believe in the old-fashioned way. Home and interiors is personal, and no amount of staff or your staff or assistants can help you put it the way you want to do it. So I hope this is helpful to you and we can take you through our next stage.
Perfect.
Again, we also are going to bring to you Angie's India, one special collection which means a lot to me, because my family has been in the export and the made in India product since the last 50 years. I started my interior journey 23 years back, but my mother has been a pioneer in exports of home products, could be soft furnishings, tableware, bedding, serverware, and many other products to all the best stores in the world. It could be Harrods, Saks, Neiman Marcus, Macy's, Bloomingdale's, House of Fraser, galleries, and many more. So this journey I did not really take forward when I came back and I wanted to start my career, but today I realize how important Made in India is and to promote our own Indian culture. But luckily, we as a family have not only had the influence of the imported designer product, but also products which we've been exporting for the last 50 years. Now on my online platform, I take my mother's journey forward, and we're going to put each and every product which represents India from each and every state, starting from Kashmir down to Kerala or to any other part of India. Could be the east, could be from Maharashtra. Each and every state has been covered. We're going to be having things from UP, we're going to be having chicken work, we're going to have Banaras work, we're going to have handlooms from the south, we're going to have rugs, carpets from Kashmir, boxes from Kashmir as well. Also, we're going to have typical aesthetics from West Bengal, the east of India, woven things from the places like Assam and all over the east. We are also going to bring the culture heritage from us, which our skilled labor is an expert in, and modify it into new age weaves, new age designs, and represent it to the world. So that's why I've changed our company, which was called Rithika's for export of all Indian homemade products, to now Angie's India. Angie's India is going to cover a new age India where we can represent our product and compare the quality, the finishing to any other product in the world. This will showcase what we can bring. Our company also had the privilege in 1978 to be honored and be one of the only companies doing the India promotion at Bloomingdale's in 1978, which was done by my mother, Rashna Kriplani. Now I take Angie's India forward, and I hope that we can challenge any other nation in the world with our product, and also delivery systems, manufacturing, quality, finishing. For this, we need to skill and enhance and empower our labor a little. It's a lot to do, but I'm sure we can do it. So do look at come and see our collection at Angie's India, which covers everything from tablecloths, table mats, from things from Rajasthan, Indian art, Indian sculpture, which is already very popular around the world, furniture, occasional pieces, our metal, serverware, which is till now is being sold globally, but we've never realized the importance of it. We've also got rugs which come from different parts of UP as well as the south, places like Kerala. We have tanjores and other art which come from Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. We have different weaves from places like Goa also, which we are putting together. So that's why I've called it Angie's India. I'm also going to write and talk about and present very soon on one of my videos Angie's India, which not only is the product made by India, but the people who have made India, the industrialists, the corporate, the sportsmen, and an entire spectrum of people who made India where we have reached in these last 70 years plus of independence. So we can show that it's not just a one-man army, it's an entire evolution of effort that has made us what we are today. So that will be another part which is going to be a part of my website, and please do look at that this month starting 15th August, as we're going to launch it officially, being the Independence Day month and year, and hopefully by 2022 we will have this section of ours very profitable and be not only online here but also exporting to other parts of the world back again like we were 50 years back. My last segment is going to be a marketplace. Luckily, I've had the privilege of having a synergy of imported and Indian products. Imported, which I promoted initially, and Indian, made in India, which my family promoted. I am going to have a marketplace at angiehomes.co, which is going to house some of the best brands in any home interior product to be sold in India or the world through my portal. This will be because I have luckily known all the promoters, designers, architects, and the force behind all the furniture brands globally. It could be artwork, it could be photography, it could be accessories, tableware. We're going to have it all as a marketplace. They can represent their brand in our country, and if of course you all like it, you have it at your doorstep, again available to you by us. And also our Indian products put on our site, which will be available globally, and people can put their brands on our website. Our home and focus is home. Everything to do with home, offices, hard finishes, soft finishes, wall textures, painting, wallpaper, and end-to-end solution with interiors. The best part is we're getting you funding. Please make the most of it in these challenging times. It's not that and also to certain, we're also offering a lot of SOPs benefits, promo codes to different and channelized such as banks and different institutions and clubs and whoever wants to be a part of our Angie Homes family. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to our other thing, Instagram and other handles, where you will sooner or later get a lot of benefits and rewards from this. Thank you. Please be a part of our Angie Homes family and journey. Look forward to having you on board and enjoy this experience in the next few years, which will enroll into more and more things day by day. Thank you. Bas?
Sir, if you want to do a little bit more, or do you think this is enough for Angie's India?